Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Chevator and this is by Hotwheels and this is a TH for this specific case. So I am lucky enough to get both TH and STH in this case. So the STH is the McLaren Speedtail. If you guys didn't see my shots, go and see the shots. I actually showcased it there. I'm not going to unbox it right way, right now. I'm just saving that for some special occasion like when hitting a milestone like that 5k subscriber, something like that. So but I will be unboxing that for sure. Okay, so with that said, let's unbox this one. But before that, I will say one more thing. I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So okay, let's unbox this. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, so when I saw this car in this particular casting in images and in videos by some other people, like they unboxed the entire case, right? So I immediately got hooked up because this looked something different, like a wedge. Okay, you can see the TH logo here. Okay, let me just put this aside. We can talk about the casting. Okay, so okay, so the casting looks really nice. So I was a bit confused when I saw this, whether this side is the front part or this side is the front part. But this is the front part, this is the rear, because the rear looks more aerodynamic than the front one. Okay, so you can see the Chevy logo here, and the livery looks really nice. I originally thought it was like a spider emblem, like these things just look like the spider legs. You can see the interior here, again this blue tinted plastic which looks really nice, and on this car this looks really nice. Okay, so you can see the grill details here. That looks really cool. It looks a bit different. I mean, let's see. I don't know if this car actually has any headlight details or tail light details. Let's see. Okay. Honestly, I can't see anything in that card art. So I don't know how I'm going to rate based on that. Okay. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. You can see some detailing here on the chassis. And this part here, this is also plastic. Only the top part is metal. So you can see the TH logo here on both sides. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 34 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, that does roll really well, even though it has a lot of wheel wobble on the front wheel. Even the rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but still does roll really well. It is not smooth, that I can say, but it rolls really well. It does its job. So okay, so let's rate this casting now. So out of 10, again I'm saying this, guys, I don't know whether this actual car has any sort of headlights anywhere here, or it is supposed to be just a concept car by Chevy. So since I'm not sure, so I'm not going to take any points for that. So apart from that, I'm not seeing anything really as a drawback or any negative points here. You can see the fuel cap here, that looks really nice and all. The detailing here also looks really nice. So I would say 10 out of 10. So my suggestion would be, okay, so if you guys are wondering what to get in this case, or if you guys have like again 2 or 3 cars, money for 2 or 3 cars, my suggestion would be get this one because this is new for this year, and even the Mini Cooper, that is the new for this year. So first pick would be I mean the Mini Cooper, obviously. So this, just because of that, just because this is a TH, I'm not going to give this as first place. For me, that one looks really cool, and like that is actual car which is a bit modified, and that will look really cool even in any place where you are going to keep. So this is going to just look like a small slab, if you keep it in this range. So no one is going to keep near, very closer to their eyes like this, right? So it is going to be in that particular distance. So maybe if you're looking at in this way, maybe it is going to look like a car. But so my personal pick would be Cooper, and then this, and then the Mustang, and then the Land Rover. Yeah, Land Rover, and then the Super B, and then Alfa Romeo. So this is how I would rank. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.